EdTech gang. My name is Noel and I work here as an EdTech here at Fort Wayne campus. And in this video, we're going to explore how to access and navigate Ivy Learn using your iPad. If you plan to use your iPad as one of your primary devices for note taking, assignments, or managing your classes, this guide will help you get started. The iPad is an incredible tool. I personally use mine for writing, organizing my life, exploring creativity, and even conducting research. So let's go ahead and dive in and make sure that you're set up for success. So, why Chrome? While Safari works fine in many cases, Chrome tends to be more compatible with the programs and tools you will use in your classes. It's the recommended browser for accessing Ivy Learn and other online resources. So with Chrome open and logged in, here's how to access Ivy Learn. So all you have to do is search or type URL. You just go into this space, and I should already be logged in, or it might automatically do that for me. This is a nice little thing for Google as well too, is that you can save your passwords if you choose to. Do Face ID, next, and it should already just be populating the passwords. But what you would do is you would just essentially be putting in your Ivy Tech credentials, so that your Ivy Tech email, your password that you've gotten set up yourself. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Ivy Learn dashboard. This is what mine looks like. It has a bunch of the dashboard and front page stuff that I would see for mine and for my admin access as well. But this is think of the dashboard as your central hub for managing classes and assignments. So some of the classes that I have enrolled, and these are just like shells and different things I'm managing. You'll see them on here. You'll see published ones, and I personally will see unpublished ones just because I have admin access. But you shouldn't see unpublished classes on your dashboard. So here's a quick guide to the key sections of Ivy Learn. So like I said, dashboard, it displays your favorited or current classes, announcements, and upcoming assignments. For account, you'll see that you can adjust your profile, notification settings, content info, display name, just different things that you want to kind of set up for yourself, or different parameters that you want to adjust or toggle. You'll find it here under the account tab. Under courses, this is where you'll find past, present, and upcoming courses. If a class isn't visible on your dashboard, go ahead and just check here, and you can find it and make sure that it appears. If you want an overview of all of your classes, just go to all courses, and these are all the ones that I've currently enrolled as an admin. But if you're having trouble finding your course, you can make it visible by favoriting it here. So that's one troubleshooting method for not just for not seeing your class, but just in general in the future. If you don't see your class coming up on the dashboard, then just favorite it here. Then next is calendar. Really, this is just used for tracking upcoming events and assignment due dates for all your classes. So you won't see anything on mine, but whenever your instructor creates a course, they should be creating assignments and modules that will sync up with your calendar. Next is your inbox. So you can use this for direct messages with Ivy Learn. Remember that this doesn't replace your regular email inbox, so I would be sure to check both. So I'll have a message here, and it will notify me in my inbox, but always make sure to check both, just for safety's sake, I guess. Under the history tab, this shows recent links or modules you've visited. So this is all the different things I've done so far. You should be able to scroll around it a little bit. Yep, there you go. So you can see all the different things I've done and played around with as admin. So again, shows recent links or modules you visited. Studio, these commons and admin I won't show you just because that's just admin stuff that I have access to. You're gonna hear me say the word admin a lot. For Studio, it's a video repository where you can create or upload videos from other devices. So you might need to use this for different classes that you have, and this is where you can kind of create content for that if you're assigned to create a video or something along those lines. Last is resources. So if you go all the way to the bottom down here, you'll see a question mark that says resources. This lists student services and includes a quick way to submit tech support tickets So if you ever need help with anything, you can submit an Ivy Learn help desk ticket here, um, and just a bunch of things that start with Ivy. You can even access my Ivy from here too, if you don't have it bookmarked or memorized or anything like that. But yeah, you can just there's a bunch of different resources here for you if you ever need help with anything. You will be inundated with a boatload of support. We're here for you, and we want to make sure that life here at Ivy Tech is it goes swimmingly for you. Um, but yeah, so what's great about this process is that it is consistent across different devices. So whether you're using an iPad, smartphone, or computer, accessing and navigating Ivy Learn, just kind of feels intuitive. Just remember to use Google Chrome for the best compatibility with your resort courses, because if you use Safari, some of the different links or programs for your classes might not work as well. Um, while we're here, actually, let me go ahead and show you this too. So you can also download the Canvas app itself. Um, the nice thing about the Canvas app is that this is a great way if you're accessing your books through your iPad directly. This is a great way to go and find those, because for some reason for Google Chrome, accessing your books on here, it doesn't always work necessarily. That's because we might be using a third party software or service as well. Something else that I will also show in this video is make sure that when you go, if you're using your iPad for Ivy Learn or anything like that, what I would do is I would allow cross website tracking. This makes it so that your pop-ups will show up more easily on Ivy Learn, and it makes life just a little bit easier for you, so that different things can open up for you. And for some reason, allowing this makes it so that pop-ups open a lot easier. But you might not even have to do this if you want to just use the Canvas app. This is also a really easy way to access your books. It doesn't do everything, and it looks a little bit different too, but it does pretty much the same thing, and it's a good resource for you too if you ever need it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to us at Techs. We're here to help. We want to make life a little easier for you. You can email us at fortwayne-edtech@ivytech.edu. You can call us at 260-480-2090, or you can stop by our office. It's in Student Life SL 124. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your journey here at Ivy Tech, and I'll see you around.